When I won Miss India, of course, then there was Beauty with Purpose, and I could help around 50,000 girl child with education and everything. I am a commoner. I come from a very, very humble, upper middle class family. So you'd never forget your roots. I'm sure a lot of people by now have my personal number because I was myself from my personal number calling people. I was cutting cakes with teddy bears and video calls. For my birthday gift, I've already asked my fans that please donate your plasma and help the people around.
Okay, Pooja, welcome on Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well. How are you doing? You're just recovering from COVID, right?
Actually, almost recovered. Now I'm pretty okay. Pretty fine. I'm sorry. I know we had
Okay,
to
no,
schedule and reschedule this live because I
right.
wasn't feeling up to it. There was still a lot of weakness, and I didn't want anything to come in the way of this live session. So I was like, let me completely feel 100% normal, and then we'll go ahead with this.
No, that's absolutely fine. And belated happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
So tell
COVID
me,
birthday.
how is this birthday different from all the birthdays that you had so far in your life?
It's very different. I was cutting cakes with teddy bears and video calls. So my friends are really adorable, along with sending me cakes and all of that. They send me teddy bears, and I was like, I'm not that small, I'm not in school anymore that you're sending me teddy bears. And they were like, no, you're going to be cutting the cake alone, and we felt really bad. So at least a teddy should be with you. It was very funny. It was kind of cute. I found it very adorable. So yeah, I found myself cutting cakes on video calls and with teddy bears. They kept me company.
We saw a very different side of yours, that we are in right now. What made you do that?
You must have just seen it for the first time, but I've always been a very compassionate person, and it's very instinctive. So even before Miss
Mm.
India, when I was studying in my college, I would celebrate my apart from celebrating my birthday with my friends and family, I would always take a small cake to an NGO which was very close to home. It was called Dagru Shed Bal Sangopan, and they would keep kids which were 4 years to 18 years in that orphanage. So I would go and just cut my cake with them when I was in college. Then when I won Miss India, of course, then there was Beauty with Purpose, and I could help around 50,000 girl child with education and everything. So actually helping someone, anyone, if I can, comes very instinctively to me. It's not new. I'm not new to this emotion. I'm a very, very sensitive and extremely emotional person, sometimes for my own bad. But I've never regretted helping someone ever. And this, I think, was one of the most important opportunities. And a lot of people, not only me, I saw a lot of people coming forth and helping, which was really great. It was very overwhelming feeling.
No, definitely. See, a lot of people they're contributing in their own way. But what was interesting
Yeah.
about you was that you were so hands-on. You're not merely sharing information. You're making sure that you're following up. That try this, try that, and maybe try
Yes.
this number. And then you are
Yeah.
realizing that a lot of these numbers that are being shared they are not verified. So then
Yeah,
you are
not
requesting that
verified.
please
Yeah.
only share verified numbers. So it was a
Yes.
process. So it's your process is different from a lot of other people. Because see, होता क्या है कि बहुत से लोग जो हैं वो सिर्फ शेयर कर लेते हैं या फिर
Help kar
डाल
dete.
देते हैं कि हम ये डोनेट कर रहे हैं, which I strongly feel कि if celebrities do, it can make a hell of difference. तो जितने भी celebrities participate कर रहे हैं, it's making a lot of difference. Wish there were more people who are doing it, but each to his own. So I found it very interesting that you were like a commoner, and you've been a commoner, and you're just tweeting to random
Yes.
people. You try this, try that number, then you're cautioning people don't share unverified numbers because it's wasting time. मैं तो बहुत
You
I'm having
never forget where you come from, right? Your roots are of a commoner. I mean, I am a commoner. I come from a very, very humble upper middle class family. So you'd never forget your roots. Also, I think the reason I kept checking on them that have you got it? Are you okay? Is because when your heart is in something Faridun, what was happening is I was realizing कि जब किसी को bed मिल रहा था तो मुझे खुशी हो रही थी. There was no gap or there was no bridge of being a celebrity and being a commoner. It was just I'm in a situation. Everybody's in a situation. I'm able to help, and I want to help as many people as they can, and I want to ensure that they are fine now. So that's why the following up, and then I got a lot of feedback from people that the numbers aren't working, no one's answering. And then I tried to call up. So I'm sure a lot of people by now have my personal number, because I was myself from my personal number calling people and checking on people and calling the contact, everything. So my number's gone everywhere.
Tell me, when was the moment that you really felt that you need to plunge into it? And then
Yeah,
how has been your journey like? How has been your journey like? What is it that you have learned? Because I think all of us, we are quite educated now. Like I've been telling people that, oxygen concentrator, if you want, you should take a 10-liter oxygen concentrator, because
yes.
that'll help you more. Like a 5-liter
Yeah,
oxygen concentrator, not a good idea. So I think
not
all
good
of us
idea.
are getting so
Educated, yeah.
educated by the mere fact that we are interacting with a lot of people and we
A
are
lot of
observing a
people.
lot of things. What has been your moment when you started it? When you
The
felt like
I
plunging?
think the
Because you literally
first,
plunged. I've been
yeah,
observing you literally plunged into it. Like swimming pool and you just plunged
dive.
into it.
Yeah,
Yeah, you just dived
like
into it.
straight head on. That is
Head
that
on,
is
yeah.
my quality. Whatever get into, I go head on. While I started witnessing the symptoms and I was at home all by myself, I think there are very few things, Faridun, that you can do apart from indulging in some Netflix and shows. You probably go on social media. And one such afternoon, I was unwell. And on Twitter, I saw someone status saying, I need a bed for my mother in Chembur, please help, and all of that. And I was like, okay. And I know a doctor who owns 5 hospitals. So I instantly called him. I said, Doctor, do we have a bed in the hospital? He said, किसको चाहिए? I said, अपना ही किसी को चाहिए है क्या? He said, मैं arrangement करता हूँ. उनको बोलो मेरे को phone करने के लिए. That was the first message. It was from some guy called Himanshu in Thane. And I instantly messaged him. I said, This is Dr. Khalid's number. I've already spoken to him. Just call this number. The arrangement is being made. And then he called Dr. Khalid. Dr. Khalid must have given him the hospital address. He was on the way. I think within 5 or 7 minutes, he tweeted back. He's saying, Thank you so much. I spoke to Dr. Khalid. I'm on my way. And then I followed up with Dr. Khalid. Haha, admission ho gaya. So it made me feel good. And in those 5 or 7 minutes, I saw a couple of messages like that. Of course, I didn't everywhere, Lucknow or Pune or UP or Bombay, I didn't know doctors all around. So my gallery, my phone gallery is full of numbers and contacts and email addresses and all of that right now. So yes, just I don't think there was any time to think honestly. क्योंकि इतने सारे मैसेजेस मैं पढ़ रही थी, ये चाहिए, ये क्या हो रहा है? तो I didn't take a moment. I don't think I took a moment. ये क्या हो रहा है? ये ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है? No, I was just like, just go. And I was able to help. I mean, I was seeing itne jaldi things were happening. I was getting tweets back. We are able to do this. We are on the way. We are going here. We are going there. All I knew is that people needed help, and I was in a position, maybe because of my decent fan following and and stuff, and I could connect dots, and it was able to help people.
Okay, so do you plan
Even
to take
you,
this
in fact,
forward?
even you
Hmm.
also helped so many people. I was seeing that you were retweeting, so many people requirements and everything. You also were into it.
I think all of
Maybe
us we
you
should,
joined
like
the
whoever.
bus a little late, but you were, yeah, everybody.
If you don't know a person, and in some part of the country that person is, and if they get it, so it's like a great feeling. I think
Yeah,
all sorts of emotions, because some people, they're not able to make it. You made the arrangement, everything is done, but
yeah,
once they reach the hospital, they could not. So it's like a crazy time. There's no
yeah.
doubt about that. So now, how will this entire experience impact your future life? Is it something that is going to be like an active part of your life from here on, apart from being an actor? Is it something that you want to just
Yes.
be?
I mean,
Because
it's
like what
actually
Sonu is doing, Sonu Sood is doing, and let's
I
say he started this foundation, and
yes. I haven't really thought about foundation. Maybe I'm not one of those people who goes out and says what they do, but I'm still associated with quite a few NGOs who I help in my own capacity, and this is going to be an endeavor. So this is one of the things that is added to the other things that I'm already doing. Apart from, of course, now within after 2 weeks, I'm going to go donate plasma. For my birthday gift, I've already asked my fans that please donate your plasma and help the people around you. And they've been kind enough to oblige. I keep seeing pictures and videos that they're helping people, they're donating their plasma.
that's a very good thought. So I spoke to Gurmeet Chaudhary recently. So he's another one who has plunged
Yeah.
into this entire thing, and he's been trying to help a lot of people. So so what we were discussing, he said that Sonu Sood is his inspiration, and so I told him that when Sonu started last year, around the same time. So we spoke to him, and so I think I've done 2 or 3 interviews with him in the last year since this time started.
Huh.
So
Huh.
interestingly, what has happened is that, and which is something that I think a lot of celebrities they should take a note of, that this entire noble stuff that he has been doing, the intentions have been noble, and he has plunged into it. He has risked his own health as well by getting into it. What has happened is that it has really spiked his brand value. He has been getting he himself told me that he has been getting best of endorsements that he never did earlier. He has been getting film offers that he did not get earlier, web shows offers, and that too, all of them, they want to see him in main lead. They don't want to be seen. They don't want to see him in negative lead. So जो भी उन्होंने किया एक अच्छे इंटेंशन के साथ में, तो it also helped him professionally because it really bolsters your public image in many ways. People start connecting with you in a different light altogether. कुछ कहना चाहेंगी आप इसके बारे में?
Well deserved. I mean, I'm sure that this was not the intention that he started out with. His intention was very pure and noble to go ahead and help people.
Exactly.
I'm glad
Yes.
that it catapulted him in such a position today where he's known as a Hanuman and he is, literally worshipped in a way. And I think well deserved, because the way he's gone out, all out, in fact, and done everything. I've been following him even last year, even now. Sonu's a friend. We've done an endorsement together, so I know him very closely. He's a very good guy. His endeavor is, I mean, right now it's huge. He has an umbrella. He has NGOs now,
He's getting
and he has
oxygen.
so many
He's getting, I
institutions
think,
that,
oxygen.
he's, yes, from overseas. Yes, I'm aware. So his endeavors is huge. I wish, I mean, I would definitely want to spread in a way like he has. But like I said, in this time, in my limited given capacity, I could not even go out because I was COVID positive, and I was at home all by myself. So hence, in my limited capacity, whatever I could do, I did. In
No, I
future,
think
if at all
it's
there is,
definitely interesting. It's
no, but
definitely.
मतलब
देखिए
वो
मैं
कहते
आपको
हैं ना
बताऊं,
कि
मैं आपको ऑनेस्टली बताऊं, एक बात बताऊं कि आपको मैं बहुत सालों से जानता हूं. We have done several interviews, लेकिन एक आपके लिए एक अलग टाइप की इज्जत मेरे दिल में डेवलप हो गई after observing the way you've been doing it, and you've been doing it like really selflessly. And you're totally at it. मतलब सुबह 8 बजे हो, रात में 11:30 बजे हो, पूजा चोपड़ा is there. Pooja Chopra is there.
I'm an early sleeper, so post 11:30 you would find my phone off. The first app to open would be WhatsApp or Instagram, but actually this time it used to be Twitter, because the moment I would take my phone, there would be Twitter notifications, a lot of them, because I would be tagged in several posts, and वो रात के होते थे, so there was so much to catch up on. रात के posts, and I had to go to that post and check the messages. Has this issue been resolved? If not, then get on the job. So literally, I would find myself in bed for at least 1.5, 2 hours, not even gotten out of bed and brushed my teeth, because I'm at it. And because that, of course, at that moment seems the thing that needs your immediate attention. Everything else is later. So I think, in a way, I kind of ignored my health also, because I had my morning medication and afternoon and evening medication. But I would find myself heating the food with the phone in my hand. It was like, yeah, but I
No,
think
no,
that
I
is the
can
need of the
understand
hour, and I completely enjoyed it. Trust me, Faridun, there was no thought कि इसके बाद मेरा brand value change हो जाएगा या लोग मुझे
नहीं,
अलग
नहीं, I'm
नजरिए
sure.
से
मैं
देखेंगे.
ये
Nothing of that
बिल्कुल
sort.
सही. नहीं, I'm sure.
But
I think anyone who
that-
knows you would know that, and I think it's coming from your mother.
Yeah.
We've spoken about it earlier. The way she has brought you up, I think is fantastic. Now, क्या हो रहा है कि बहुत ही मुश्किल दौर है. जब हम विजुअल्स देखते हैं, आप ट्विटर पे एक्टिव हैं, तो कॉन्स्टेंटली आप वो सब वीडियोस देख रही हैं कि किस तरीके से क्रिमेटोरियम्स के किस तरीके के विजुअल्स आ रहे हैं, देयर टू मेनी ऑफ देम, एंड किस तरीके से ऑक्सीजन की वजह से लोग जो हैं वो दोस विजुअल्स दे आर वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू वॉच. द वे पीपल आर लिटरली गैस्पिंग फॉर ब्रेथ. हम ये भी देख रहे हैं कि बहुत बार ये कहा जा रहा है कि पॉजिटिविटी के बारे में बात करिए एंड अच्छी बातें करिए. कैसे आप देखती हैं कि दैट अगर जो हमारे आसपास हो रहा है, क्या हम उसको ऑब्जर्व करना या उसको रिएक्ट करना बंद कर सकते हैं ऐसे हालात में? Can we be selfish?
No, we are humans, Faridun. At the end of the day, we are humans. We are meant to feel. If we block our feelings, how does that make us human? And because social media में अच्छी भी चीजें है, it's in front of you, and these things also, but it is the reality. I tried to block it. I think by the 4th or the 5th day, I couldn't take it. One, I was dealing with the virus myself, all by myself. Two, helping the people I could, and three, watching these very, very disturbing visuals I think bachpan se Faridun, because I mean obviously what I have been through, what my entire family has been through, and बहुत सारी situations I think so it comes from her values कि जो feel हो
No,
रहा है
absolutely.
उसको अभी, हाँ उसको अभी it's time to be strong right now. ये जो feel हो रहा है वो बाद में deal करेंगे, and I think that's what came very
Absolutely.
instinctively to me, and I just went ahead. But I totally agree with
Absolutely.
you. I can't I can't explain to you how disturbing those images were, how they have genuinely affected me. They have.
I'm
They
sure.
have.
I'm
It
sure
was
they did.
difficult to deal with
Okay,
them.
right. So I came across one tweet, and that just totally like literally put a dagger into my chest as well. And it was that a woman has died, and breast milk is needed for a 1 day old kid.
Yeah.
And if someone can
Yes.
do that, like
I tweeted that.
it's you suddenly wake up to the reality that a lot of young people, they have passed away. We don't know the exact numbers, and so you've experienced it yourself, that your mother has single-handedly brought you and your sister. A lot of people, they become orphans. A lot of young kids, they have become orphans. What do you think can possibly be done for these people? Because something needs to be done, and I'm sure that the numbers must be quite big.
Yeah. In fact, the government has come up with solutions. There are, I mean, as of now, I don't know what is the on ground situation, but all I know is because I have tweeted and I have Instagram on stories, I have put, numbers and websites that if they know of any child who's lost their family, this is the number they need to call on. And there are NGOs who are taking the kids up. I mean, I hope the on ground reality is better and the kids will be taken care of in a nice way. I mean, parent parents are irreplaceable. A mother is irreplaceable. But I know for a fact that they've been taken care of, and there are people and NGOs who've come forward and they're taking these kids home.
A lot of people, they are under a lot of stress. You've experienced it yourself. You would know that a lot of the deaths that are happening, they're happening because of people are panicking.
Yeah, panic.
The blood pressures, they're shooting up, heart attacks are taking place, all sorts of things are
Right.
there. And even apart from that, there are caregivers who are undergoing a lot of stress. Many a times, those caregivers, they themselves are COVID positive, and still they have to be strong enough to take care of the elderly, or people who are seriously diseased in the family. How big is the mental health issue that is stemming out from this entire situation right now?
It is humongous. It is literally that we have in front, it's literally an insurmountable mountain that you can only probably conquer with a lot of strength and a lot of determination and with support. You're not going to believe this. I'm sharing this right now. I was in two minds at some point to contact a counselor during this time because I realized the moment I share this with my mother, because she is my only confidant and someone who's very, very close to me, and I share a lot of things with her, it's going to pull her down. So I was in two minds to contact a counselor. I thought that I'm spiraling down because it wasn't easy. But I think the only thing that kind of kept me afloat, was the messages from these people. Everything. There were people who were drawing my face in the Wonder Woman avatar and saying that, you're the Wonder Woman and the way you've taken plunge. So these messages from people, that thank you for saving my mother, and thank you, my brother got the medicine, and thank you, my sister got this. In fact, so many people, Faridun, from my own friend circle were WhatsApping me that Pooja, my relative needs this, my cousin needs this. So it spread like this, and because I knew that now I'm in a situation to help, but mental health right now at this point is of utmost importance. In fact, it is as important as your physical health. It is that important.
No, absolutely, absolutely. Now, if you would want to maybe give a message to your fans and people who are watching this, that why is it important not to make mental health issues into a taboo sort of thing? Because many a times people have this notion कि that अगर हम इसके बारे में बात करेंगे तो ये समझ जाएगा हम पागल हैं, या फिर because immediately वो एक labeling हो जाती है, and people don't want to do that, especially हम लोगों के आसपास का जो सोसाइटी है उसमें ये बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है. कितना जरूरी है to normalize the conversation on mental health so that people should be as open talking about it as they're talking about, like, say, maybe fever, for example, or cough maybe?
The good part, I don't know, I could be wrong here. Please correct me if I'm wrong. The good part is, I feel personally that there has been a sea change in how the issue of mental health was perceived a few years ago to how it is perceived now. Forget about the fact that you and me are only talking about COVID here. But I know that people in Russia are talking about, in fact, there was a very, very emotional tweet that I had tweeted. Her father had put a picture of his daughter's drawing that she had done. That Spain and India, we are with you. She was in the 4th grade. So that means that people in Russia and Spain are concerned about things that are happening in India. So this is a generation where people want to take a stand and people want to talk about things that are wrong. People want to talk about things that they want to change. And the best part is that mental health issue being one of those things. And I definitely feel that there has been a sea change. In fact, I talk to so many of my friends. So many of them have counselors. I at some point had a counselor, and I mean, I don't see that there's a taboo or I feel it demeaning in a certain way at all. So I am of a belief that this is a great generation and things are changing, and mental health issue is definitely normalizing.
All right, Pooja Chopra, lovely talking to you. Congratulations for what you're doing. And thank you for talking to us. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And happy
Thank
birthday
you so
once
much.
again.
It's always amazing talking to you, Faridun.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. God bless you. God bless you.